Hi, I'm Lisa Carl,
And I'm Lisa Shaughnessy.
and welcome to the Savvy Quick Tip. Today we're talking about Twitter, how to increase engagement. What are your tips for that, Lisa?
Well, what I like to do to increase engagement on Twitter is to actually have conversations and not just blast out links over and over again. What about you?
Well, when I find something that I like, somebody has put out a link or a comment that I find interesting, I retweet it, but I add my own little personal insight to it.
Oh, that is a really good idea.
And the other thing is that I tag people in my tweets, but I do it naturally. I don't do it in a spammy way.
Right. That's the most important thing about engaging on Twitter. Don't do it in a spammy way, and please don't just sell all your products. Engage. It's a very conversational social network. So that is the point. Engage with people and have conversations. Build real relationships.
And Twitter is the perfect place to do that.
Thanks for joining us for our Savvy Quick Tip.
Bye for now.